Assalamualaikum friends. Here I will explain how to write a job application letter. The first is that there is a day, month, and year. The second one has a receiver, post of the responsible officer, name of the organization, address of the organization. Then the third one is opening. For example, there's here.
Next for first paragraph. In the first paragraph of a usually cited application letter, you should state the post or job area you are interested in and the reason for making self-referral. Next 5. Content. List the relevant academic qualification and experience to show that you are the best person for the post.
Next 6. Last paragraph. Indicate your wish for an interview. Next 7. Closing. Use your validity to address to the responsible officer. Sign in your name below the closing mark and tip your name under the signature.
Of all the explanation that converts in the form of making a job application letter can be understood and understood, there's enough from us. We apologize if there are words mistake or unclear words from our group, and thank you.
Hi friends, thank you for watching our group show about job application letters.